Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince from Ghana. Today's episode of my video is we are coming to do unboxing, whereby it's quarter of the year. So yeah, I got another pet from Cloudstaff. So yeah, thank you so much Cloudstaff for giving me another pet. Yeah, so I'm gonna do unboxing and see what is inside this box and see how it goes. So come and let's do this together. Anyway, today is my birthday and happy birthday to me. Yeah, those who gave me the gift and the wishes, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, so let's get into the video. Anyway, I have my scissors here where I'm going to cut the tapes. Yeah, so cut the tapes. Okay, I can remove it. Nice one. Yeah, so let's see what is inside the box. Yeah, wow, today's box is also heavy. Yeah, so as you can see, I have some coffee here. Yeah, I have some coffee here. Nice one. Still coffee. What do I have here? Sponge crunch. Yeah, this sponge crunch. Yeah, so today's box look promising. Anyway, another sponge crunch. Yeah, what do I have here? Cow cheese. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. I have some Oishi potato chips. Yeah, really good. Another one. Wow, nice one. Another potato chips. Yeah, so let me still dig inside. Another one again. Wow. Okay, so which box is this? Okay, this cornflakes. Yeah, this is cornflakes. Yeah, so what else? Crab corn. I think this soup. Yeah, I think I haven't tasted this before, so yeah, I'll taste this and see how it goes. Corn, crab and corn. Yeah. Another one again. What do you have here? Pancake. Wow, this for pancake. I have another one here, making two. Yeah, so let me still dig in. Oh my, oh my. I have tuna flakes, where you can see century tuna. Another one, another century. What do I have here? Okay, luncheon meat. I have luncheon meat here. That's so nice. Another luncheon. So it's coming in pairs. This is Vienna sausage. Yeah, this tastes good. So it's coming in pairs, as I said. I still have Vienna sausage inside. Yeah, that's a Vienna sausage. So, oh, this is chicken spread. Yeah, you can use this in bread. So I call it bread spread. Anyway, what do I have again? I have some drinks here. Let me see. Oh, Chucky chocolate drink. Yeah, yeah, this one tastes good also. So actually, my quarter perks is going to be nice. There's fresh milk. Yeah, there's fresh milk. Yeah, I really love milk though. Yeah. So what do we have here again? Pineapple. This pineapple. Yeah, pineapple juice. Like as I said, it comes in pairs. So yeah, another one. Yeah, what do we have? Oh my, oh my. This is powdered milk. Yeah, as you can see. So let me still dig in. There's one last surprise, which is heavy. Okay, come with me, let's do this. Wow, this is a bag of rice, which is 5 kilogram rice. Yeah, 5 kilogram rice. Yeah, yeah. So this is all that I have in the box. Yeah, so like as I said, thanks to Cloudstaff for giving us perks. At least it motivates us to work more. Yeah, so I'm also going to give some thanks to those supporting me from Philippines, Hong Kong, Qatar, America, and Europe. Yeah, and my African brothers also. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. And as I said, today is my birthday, and happy birthday to me. Those who gave me the gifts, the cakes, the wishes, thank you so much. Anyway, let me show you my cake. Let me show you my cake. Just give me a minute. Let me show you my cake. Yeah, so this is a gift. This is a gift actually from a loved one. Yeah, this is a gift actually from a loved one. As you can see, this is actually a gift from a loved one. So yeah, it's my birthday. Yeah, we're going to enjoy this. Yeah. So thank you so much, those who gave me the gifts and the wishes. I really appreciate. Anyway, happy birthday to me again. Hip, 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 hooray!